जब इसे बना रहे थे तब सर ये
जल रहा था, तो आपने क्या प्रिकॉशन आपने क्या लिया?
सर टाइम टू टाइम इसमें पानी डालना,
टाइम टू टाइम को पानी डालना पड़ा, छिड़कना पड़ा। तो दर्शक बंधु आप लोग देखेंगे कि जब भी आप इसको बनाएंगे, आपके पास जो है गर्म पानी तैयार रहना चाहिए, जिसको हम बोलते हैं इमरजेंसी स्टॉक। सो इमरजेंसी स्टॉक आपको फर्स्ट ईयर में पढ़ाया जाएगा, अर्थात हम लोग उसको बोलते हैं गर्म पानी। उसको लेकर आपको छिड़कना है, तभी जो है ये जलेगा नहीं एंड कार्बन फॉर्मेशन नहीं होगा। लेकिन यहाँ पे जहां तक मैं समझता हूँ कलर इज वेरी गुड, इट्स ए चॉकलेटी कलर। एंड somebody please taste the gravy, somebody just have a little portion of it, and which person eats the mutton or the mutton gravy? यहाँ पे कोई है जो मटन खाते हैं? Okay, so you please taste it and pass your comments before our viewers, and pass your comments. Yes, how did you feel?
जैसे मैं बताया गया था उड़ीसा के तरीके से बनाना, वैसे में सब परफेक्ट है सर।
परफेक्ट है। ओके, आप बता सकते हैं मटन कुक हुआ या नहीं?
जी सर।
कैसे पता है आपको?
सर जब बना रहा था सर मैंने
उस समय। अब ये बताइए कुक हुआ या नहीं? अभी इसको हमेशा ध्यान रखिए, कस्टमर के सामने आपको उनको सेटिस्फाई करना है, क्योंकि कस्टमर इज लाइक ही इज अ न्यू पर्सन। ओके, place it inside the mutton, just press it little bit. You will be able to understand whether the thing is well cooked or not. I think the spoon is going inside very softly and it has been cooked under the direction of Brij Mohan sir, so things are all well. So friends, if you have this dish anywhere in the eastern part of the region, you will really enjoy the dishes. Okay, after that we have got the dalma. Dalma is a vegetable dal. We can see the texture is good and the color is also good. It's a sabzi dal. So previously you have already seen various preparations of dal by using the vegetables, by using green peas, by using other items. But this is also a version of that kind of dal. This can be had, this can be given in the hospital catering also. It's full of all the nutrients, it's full of all the nutrition. Now I would like to have some idea from say Anshika. What is your opinion regarding the dal? Yes, Miss Anshika, please.
So dal, today I am making a dal. First to boil the dal and second cut the vegetables in a cube shape and ready to frying all the spices like jeera.
Okay, fine. So why you will advise your customer to have this dal? Tell him just 2 points.
Dal is very healthy and very good. Flavor is very good. Color is very good.
Okay, is there any negative point in the dal in this particular preparation?
No sir.
No, I will say no, because हम लोगों ने बना तो हम क्यों खराब बोले उसको, लेकिन जो कस्टमर है वो खा के बोले कि कहाँ पे हमें डेवलप करना है, उनका हम स्वागत करते हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारी कोई गलती निकाले, ताकि उस पॉइंट पे हम लोग जो है आगे और बढ़ सके और डेवलप कर सके। आगे हमारे पास है पीठा। इट्स ए ओडिया डिश, दिस इज आल्सो वेरी फेमस इन बंगाल एंड असम। नाउ पीठा, somebody please pass the spoon inside it and this one please use this one. You can also do it. Pass the spoon inside and tell our viewers, is it well done?
यस सर।
It is well done, it's well cooked. And give me a piece also, because I'm also very much like fond of having sweet, but at this age I'm avoiding the sweet. But the thing is, sweet can never be bad. You also taste, Mr. Rishikesh, and pass your comments. Let us pass our comments before the viewers. Yes, I'm tasting it. Just beautiful, just beautiful. I cannot hold my tongue. I'm feeling to have much more. Believe me friends, this pita has got only the involvement of the rice flour and the milk products. Within this, it depends upon the way, the method of cooking you apply for the preparation of the pita. This pita is very much served on the day of Sankranti, that is 14th of January of every year, and also during the New Year we use it to welcome all our guests. After that we have got Chhena jalebi or Chhena jilli. Somebody please break a little portion and taste it. Who can do it? No, in that way. Okay, you do it. You break it into 2 pieces and give the half piece to Miss Yadav, and you take half piece. It's a sweet dish. Pass it in your mouth and feel the taste. Is it well cooked? Well fried? The chashni, that is the sugar syrup, has it gone inside? I think it will take some more time to papa, because the sugar syrup has not gone inside 100%. You have to keep it for one night, overnight. Then only it will do. Is there any raw flavor?
Yes, sir, it is.
Raw flavor is there. So what I suggest is, if there is any raw flavor, you have to low the flame. Otherwise, what will happen? The inner part will remain raw, and the outer part will be cooked. Or if you want to cook the inner part, the outer part will be overdone. So that particular thing will create an invalid cookery. So in this particular thing, the room for improvement is the beating of the batter should be much more longer. After that, the cooking process should be slowed little down. After that,